Hi, boys and girls. Are you ready for some sound fun? We're going to be isolating our final sounds or listening for that last sound in our word. I'm going to say a word. You'll repeat the word, and as you repeat the word, you're going to say the word and then punch out that final sound. Like this. Ready? Watch me. Should. Then you say should. And the last sound is d, so we punch out that last sound in should. Ready? Let's do them together. Ready? Next. Self. Self. Good. Is our last sound. Could. Could. Good. Our last sound is d. Whole. Whole. Ooh. Weak. Weak. K was our final sound. Prize. Prize. Good. Z is our final sound. Done. Done. Is our final sound. Team. Team. Good. Is our final sound. Great job, boys and girls. Kiss your brain. You're a sound superstar. You rock.